Hey up, I'm Warren from Forbes Rentals. Today, I'm super excited to demonstrate and review the freestanding 10 kilogram washer dryer from Bosch, the WDU28560. This machine has been awarded an A for energy rating, has a 1400 spin, a 10 kilogram drum for your washing, and you can dry up to 6 kilograms in one load. Drum capacity is probably one of the most important choices you can make when choosing a new washing machine. You should look at various factors, such as how many washes you do in a week, how many are in your household, and what type of clothing do you wash. When considering all this, you may find that a 9 kilogram model is sufficient. For example, the WDU28560, which I've reviewed previously. Click this link for that review. However, for those in a larger household or a professional couple wishing to reduce the number of washes they do in a week, or maybe room won't allow for a separate dryer, then you need to look at the machine I am reviewing today. This machine has a large opening, so washing those large duvets is just that bit easier. As aforementioned, the larger capacity of this machine helps to decrease the amount of washes you do in a week, making your washing more economical and efficient and saving you time and contributing to the lowering of water and electricity usage, which is another important factor to consider. Just to revisit that point, it's not always clear what the load weight means. So just to give you some guidance, an 8 kilogram machine can wash up to 40 t-shirts. And a 10 kilogram machine, well, you can go up to 50 t-shirts. So the 10 kilogram machine certainly has the potential to decrease the number of washes you do in a week. The weight does relate to a dry load. So if you really want to understand or check the weight of your washing, maybe just stand on some scales, then pick up your washing. That way you can tell how much your load is. That's my top tip of the day. Being a Bosch, this has all the bells and whistles you have come to associate with a machine of this quality. AutoDry, which gently dries laundry to exactly the level of dryness you want. Large LED and fully electronic metal control dial to make all your program selections that much easier, which I'll demonstrate later in the video. Eco Silence, Bosch's super quiet and energy efficient brushless motor, ideal for open plan living. Speed Perfect, where you can speed up your cycles or slow them down for a more economical wash. Night Wash, a freely selectable program for extremely quiet washing. Quick 1560, we've all had that predicament where we really need to freshen up a particular piece of clothing. So a Quick 15 can come to the rescue, where you can wash up to 2 kilograms of laundry in just 15 minutes. Add to that a drying cycle and it's done in 60 minutes. This machine is loaded with features too numerous to mention, as you can see here. You'll have plenty of wash and dry programs to choose from, so you'll be able to find a cycle that suits your needs. Bosch also includes a special antibacterial 90-degree drum clean program. This program will also sense if you have only chosen lower temperature washers and will prompt you to use the said program when the appliance feels it's necessary. Something that has always been a challenge with other washer dryers is the limits of the drying options. No more with this machine. You can now set the dryer up to dry for the length of time that you want, rather than being restricted to a preset option, which I think is a major benefit. I'll demo that later in the video. It has a reload feature, again, a really useful function, which allows you to add that sock or underwear you dropped, or forgot to add, just by pausing the appliance, just like you do when pausing a Netflix film. Although the water level and the temperature cannot be too high, of course. So let me demonstrate the controls of this cracking appliance. First off, let's have a look at this whopping drum. You can see the wave drum in here, which allows this machine to give you that gentle and efficient washing. It's got a large porthole, making it easier to load and unload your clothes, allowing for large items such as duvet, and it even has a program for down, like your pillows. Moving on to the controls, the fully electronic metal dial is an intuitive way to select your programs, which when backed up by the large LED panel here, means you can select your program, then conveniently adjust your program according to your needs. For example, if I pick a mixed load, it will show a default program of 40 degree, 1400 spin for an hour and 3 minutes. I can then alter the temperature to 30, 20, the spin speeds to 1200, 800. I can select the speed, which will give you a quicker wash, reducing the time to 45 minutes. I can select Eco, which will give you a more economical wash, increasing the time to 1 hour 19 minutes. Pressing Eco again will knock it back to the default program. Press start and off you go. Now let's look at the drying feature that I mentioned earlier. With the dial, select My Time. It will again show the default program. Press the red Dry button and it will show the default dry program of 20 minutes. You can then press the plus symbol, which will take it up in increments of 10 to a maximum of 2 hours. Press start and off you go. So there you have the 10 kilogram Bosch WDU28560 Washer Dryer. You can rent this fantastic appliance from us, and rest assured, should you have any issues, you simply can call us and we will provide you with our award-winning service to ensure your experience is as fuss-free as possible. Add all the rental benefits and this really is a great option for you to rent and relax. Enjoy all the features and functions that this appliance offers. If you're interested, then don't hesitate to visit our website and apply now.